2025 was a very busy year for our sales teams here at Ryder and Dutton and Mortimer's last year. We sold over 3,300 properties. That's helping over 7,000 sellers and buyers move. Our lettings team's also really busy last year, managing over 1,700 properties and arranging nearly 600 move-ins for tenants and landlords. And whilst we're proud of the hard work and commitment of our teams to produce these incredible results, what matters so much more to us is the way in which they look after our customers. So we're especially proud to hold a rating of 4.9 on Trustpilot from over 3,500 reviews, and we supported over 200 community events in 2025. But what about 2026? What's in store for the property market across our region this year? Well, despite the media feeding us mostly misery on an almost daily basis, we're actually quite positive about the property market in 2026. Why? Well, underneath those doom and gloom headlines we read a lot about, what didn't make the headlines last year was the UK economy actually performed the second best in the first half of 2025 in the G7. And something else very interesting I picked up on recently was from the Nationwide. They reported that the average UK house price, when adjusted for inflation, that's what they call the real house price when they adjust it for inflation, they say it's the same today as it was in 2003. I think this, coupled with the recent interest rate cut we've seen and the very competitive mortgage rates from lenders out there at the moment who have a real appetite to lend, the conditions are quite favourable for buyers right now, and we're expecting a healthy market for 2026. But what about prices? Everybody always wants to ask us about prices. Well, we're forecasting growth of around 3% or thereabouts in 2026 for properties up to £500,000. Above £500,000, we're thinking the market might be fairly flat. Will we be right? Well, you'll have to stay in touch with us through these videos to find out, of course. Thanks for watching.